Yo ya mama kwaba aha fie ni fie TV yeda mase bebre nyame enhira wo bra bi ni baabi a wo bi a waje bra asabre wonso wanya ason ede amayen. Last week ye video na ye no mo ye ade madaroma mo ma video no ekọ baabi se ekodu bia mo bọ mo homode ye bibifo de ye njema nkeye de ni mo ya ade o mesra wo hwe nya wa share na wa like it, na wa follow because we had last week video now ye 54k with 98% positive reactions. That means majority of the people on the video no were wise and reasonable people. They share common with what the American, but many followers, as one would have wished in Quebec, because only 54,000. Nanka out of the 54, only 10,000 followers, krana and Kaya. But Ketwabia inswa, the war or done some no dema. Many bid aka hon there, but Ninani, ye percent platform near big so that a better platform of interactive ideas. I bet me, I can boom the abwa. Ye mind Ghana enti ye damasi bebre on the third na ye share ye say video no ye no weekly but reactions na ba nche say week no ye ntimi ntna se ntwen esi ye no nti madaroma mo de mo mama followers no mo page mu emfi ba bi e da no nkodu 10k mame na me nyan hihye say ye be share Monday, Wednesday and Sunday. I'm still planning with the time say be ye nyina be city ye nyina nti obi aba na wa share no like no follow, then you leave your intelligent comments as usual. Being it negative or positive, ni nyina kabuma eno man no ekwa animu yedamo ase die na ye woso de bremo esanse ye animu hia na wotwene enti no ye bobo ne tew eno nti na se ye chichem se beba edwada ukwada ene kwasiada se de be ya ye ba ye ntutumrika ewo ensama ye de ebanum esanse na wotwene nsam bebre ni na eba ye try so se ye be chiche ni apone bia kakra the kind ye share on the third, that means on the fourth oba bepem ndeno yenya enhia inti from fourth oba no and somewhere ACC the yetimi be kasa ho ama o man na kwa animu ni efa enti so hwe se ye share on the third na on the fourth there na ye election petition ruling e course so e wo man Ghana obi a na wo follow fie ni fie TV bia de say by presumption na wa kasa no uhu sa asem we say enya asem a etimi ejina so ediko jina Supreme Court na court bia yetimi. Thank you very much, Millicent Jackson. I do much appreciate. Please share and then subscribe to Fie TV also on YouTube, so as we can grow a bigger family and we can live interact and chat also there. Medawasi bebre. And election petition. So we obi a wudi achire even follow Fie TV. I achire osa asem na Mahama edi akogina court no. Asem bia ni mesan say wuntimi fo asem nko court a wuni enyina so no abehye obi so ombejinam. Na Supreme Court ebetna say ede omu ruling ebaye no. Thank you Mr. Michael Briabwa. Omudi ruling ne baye no. Em say omo kan ne tintintin ewa me angaza meetie na am say hey we dey ebede na me na ote adwura seche dum ase wase na nso enu nti ni afa to ye ho se seche etie bia na mamuo no ye nyina ye ka ye ho boma na ye bewie Ghana nti ye befa ne ebubu mu pre kitinkitin se de ye chiche communion e wa sorry dem obi age ne de agwa no de atu nanim na wate ase ye se de etie na e na ye de eba no na mpanyimfo se titi wo bi kire titi wo bi ka na uhu se dompe so etua. Thank you very much. Who said don't pay so etu abofra no na eche so di free mpanyimfie. Supreme Court no tintin na omo kan number ye demonstration ketua bi na ye nyina ya te ase ye. Supreme Court no enie Mahama asem a ode call Supreme Court no say na tie. Uhwe mu a ohun Mahama asem na ode call Supreme Court no say ya o say na tie. Entimi nso bia nyinam. Enti enie ana omode koye no omuhwe nsuo ni guma so ma nso de nsuo ni eba no say ya o the Supreme Court e ka kire Mahama no say wa asem ha wo de breye no say ya na tie ya ya boye ho modi bia se ebehwe nsuo agum ehwe a otobo nsuo ntimi nyina kire say ya asem a yentimi mfa ma abedwafo anim embedi bem na ye nyina ne anim. So in court process, any ruling processes now. Now what's your law? The basis of law kakra. Na ultimu se Ghana man penyi da John Dramani Mahama wan call for say bibia or call for say yebe cost wa boni din. Na no so they wa achieve. Ni na politics. If you study politics, you understand, and we cannot much blame him. you cannot much blame him. Wa born home the politics be politician be no why. But one thing Supreme Court ruling no any the course so election no by and say Mahama, you have been ejected and rejected. You have been ejected and rejected. These are two law words I bet you ejected chesa una house one say who hear CD who do CD no DVD no wura player no ma umia eject na yi CD no na do ade ama na no chesa we ejecting who na na ote so na Ghana for 1 million vote difference e feel e pull what I say in the way ya yi wa ma asan pull sa na mpese me kire e na wo koye na wo se we mistakes bebre abra na ote akunya so ye ma akunya na Ghana fo ka kire wo se owura Ghana akunya no enye remedials na wo kotwro na wo kotwro se si feli a wato afa ho ye mfa ma and ye san reject you and Mahama has been ejected and rejected. The fine and one no asem ni nyina awie no no and the Supreme Court ruling ba ni nyina tintintin no de kosi ya nsa me ka kire mo se ase edunkati asem a wakwa wa adaka mu no wa wie bibia. Thank you brother Biden all the way from Holland. Thank you, I appreciate. If I no more follow, no more like, no more share, say the platform no be big. A time coming, you will be on it. Now you discuss it, said the or mine and he has been ejected and rejected as a former president. Say minkwama futuo de nkebe ya anka Owura Mahama on na home because or retire ha obenya more respect. Kakra na aka no obetima bɔ ho ban achen de opese osan eye no. But anyway efutuo etise kwini wopa na wonom enti ye de eno ebesi wo eno achi na ye ba eye National Women's Day ema ne enkoda wo so ya akura so ye panyi abrewa ema e wo wiase nyina no ye ka nyame enhyira mo ma brema no ase because we nim the value of a woman in this world unim oba the value of a woman in this world enka ubebu oba if you know the value of a woman in this world enka ubebu oba. Now let me tell you when yankopon oba de oba ne bema granted say enka oba ni wiase anka nipa ba akopɛ ne wo wiase o ka ji se de bia nyame betena ase na obo ade nyame betena ase bo ade nanso. Thank you, Samira Zaka. I appreciate, even though you don't share the same idea. It's also part of the game. Nyame eboba ne bema entere na mekano. Ndi se nka mani wiase anka de bia je se nyankopon si fom bebo ade. Osi fom no abebo ade. Sa time no nyame nya sa se wiase hwe problem yakofa ato ye ho so. Enti wode sa to me no ene achede no eche adorable woman. Where the very first time I yet say Adam kasa wo Bible was when ohun oba. And the Bible says ohun was wow. Eto no so enti ma de Emma or we are abobi wo wuro me friend or we are ni so ni say ma Emma ye nipa bia wa won't o mase. Now we can never understand them because they are of their own omo di omo ho ohun inti madie ye ne omo tena nyansanitiye ne akrokro enti Emma e wo wiase nyina ye kase nyame enhyira mo maye bio mo na mama wiase aye de nyesa nka mema nge fa he mama wiase aye de nyame enhyira mo wate nyame enhyira oba bia de ye be wo no kra no nyame enhyira no enti wo ye bema na se wo mumba de a na eche se wa wonim de wo yo enti ye besre mo yemfa buo bia e mama because ye wiase we no se betima gina ama awonto aso akoso a je se ye nuama ya yiremu ya ye mama ya ye maame mu ya ye nana mu ma ya enti ama nyina nyame enhyira mo onye mu kase ade ba akwa ye me ya ne se very day a ye di Women's Day no na saata mu no so na aware mu nsensem ya akofa ntokwa aba ma owura bi ne yire akoama akopim se sebi oba ba akokra akoto de yeti ye no probably ye bia na bia sisi wo ba bi bebrebe enti ye besese sa nipa kro no nyame mfa ne kransie be ma ye besese sa no man mu man desist from it abufo ba ye nsu ehunu se ye be hye ye ho so na ye nuan mu ma ne de ye chese obi omso ma ya huhuro na ehye wo boa o ma ye boafo be makra wunyi du ba bi na oba nka ho a ubedi hu ni se den na ahobon be ma ubedi hu ni se den na ahobon oba nka ho a be ma enti you are incomplete without a woman. What I say? Enti a man de mo da soronko muni papa. Okay, now ye de e ma so de ama wo mo no na ye kọ de na watwi mu so ebe hiti ye da baby ana ye kote hwihwihwihwie ko hwehwe mu a ye ko hwehwe mu a Minister for Women Affairs, I take it. Where they me huri so, I suppose we kwa de metime die dini pa. If you have ever been to Virginia, you understand me. I'm talking to the wise and reasonable people. They understand. If you have ever been to Virginia, you understand how women are to be appreciated. The moment you appreciate them, you begin to understand them. Thank you, brother John Upuku Kwame Mark. Okay, now, yanko yansam sono. NDC confusion na abesimu na watching mu nyina na ye betete no nya doso no. Sesi ano NDC no as a party no akwa say enkura playing ground because we saw it coming. Even though me a sympathizer, MPP sympathizer, I don't follow blindly. Master MPP ya de na and yet that is how I do my things, because at the end of the day no Ghana ye yon ye na ye pe. So that's here. Intermediate me yimanim oh yeah me damn MPP sympathizer nothing but and this MPP ya de na nya ye be pay ma catch and say crash ade amoye no enye in a professional way. Okay, now nanka ye pe credible opposition so mbeboa because baby opposition any ho no entimi man incumbent government and set up so you good striker you must score against a good defender and you throw good striker. You can never be a good striker now. Who Premier League now say untimi she goals wo nemu ya do call division 3 ho na ko she goals you call yourself a good striker? No. If you're a good striker like C Ronaldo, like Messi Muna, you must meet defenders like Pilomo na fe in here akoy your friends Barca for your friends akoy na mdo finidi impetim ya 70 yeah anya hwe wo de mpesa make can say if you are a good striker, you must score against a good defender. And yes, we a good striker. So that's it. Mekai Isaac Boache, a former player Kumasi Asante. No, was it Eric Bequin, former Kumasi Asante Kotoko hate maker. Eric Bequin. Now, any Eric Kumasi Asante Kotoko was playing against. I think was it. It's a Power FC, I think. Emma coach, then Power FC coach catcher Isaac Bequin said there was strategizing against him that particular play. Obia be should go among the Kotoko players now. Or no Bequin party o Mali untimi should go. And our true such challenge and says a Bequin sha or the salary etoso. Ya bobo Bequin when your ball players bear 4 no more etwan ho ahia. Ya bobo ya Bequin so be say. He has to justify the Bequin here. It's an same penny for say Bequin din fatana na fatana kono. Bedi akon ni din fatana fata. Thank you your mark. Thank you Puyo. Defenders like Puyo. Mono wahu. Any PK mo ba Puyo nana me pen me da say uniam da say yeah kokra ye nyino. Enti almost had na wo shek board here o mehu. Enti back to my words, Bequin at the end of the day scored 2 goals against Power FC, and the coach or Shewi no Dimika coach no no salute no. The next day, no many I was eager to know what the coach was going to say, but coach the conclusion was Bequin is a striker we must all pay attention to. Punct. And we want a credible opposition. So that's here. And I'm paying for say just as our tuya ungreen treasure sarama. Say tuya otunie. Also ko hura treasure sarama. Moko fa asami dem fi ba ya odi atem omwa de mfreni masama kura woni mu bra mo brada. na se motete sika funya de sha akra no ma ohu panyi a wo muade mfere ade same jamfi muade mfere ade etimi kasetia nana wo de yemfa politics no ento nchen se wo ye politician Nana Akufo-Addo has never insulted you and the wo say communication keke utimi bie wano e kasetia Akufo-Addo someone who is more than your father, more than your abusuan panyin o kasetia no because we a politician also a politician ebeto mu da ben Ghana. When did we begin this? When did this start? Because political party be your imagine say omo de yen ye de ade na efita ye be kan say eyetuntum ni aka wo be kan ye be yaw ne yaw a wo be twen ho na afa ye afa ye kwan akọ. That is why Aloto Jacobs say or behaving akọ into one join NDC. In other words, if you deduce Aloto Jacobs on some now, you come to a conclusion say if you really want to go to heaven, you don't have to join NDC. This is from Aloto Jacobs. Media me se me sonkra, wo sonkra so a empanifo se ukomu mu. Wo sonkra, ukomu embu. That is what Aloto Jacobs. Who Aloto Jacobs ne Sammy Gyamfi, who is an NDC? Sammy Gyamfi obada ben. Aloto Jacobs wa son party no nim party no ntwia ni ntwirom. Ene wa pie na empanifo se bomochichie firi nso ase be ka kire wo so odanche mawu a yendi na chinye. And some of us enye ye nwanwa pi esan say dia wakwa ya ne so akwate se kokosechi esisu etonko no ye ba ne be ka kire nse kokosechi ato ya ne mu a menua ondi achinye na nya ne nwanwa bebre nti media ekoso we ndisi mu no enye ne nwanwa kura na de chance a ebeba. Yes, sesi ano so wo hwa Sammy Gyamfi per se matiti na ma wa nya sharp teeth wan say ene ontimi nkoka opposition no obekamo. Now this is a special advice semofa ebeboam free na mede emamo no. In the early 40s abayo bi tena ase e wa America mamu ne friend Pascaline Hamels. Pascaline was very intelligent girl. Just say see udin ko school anu awie udin ko school anu chere Professor Krade na girl no be study law obeye one of the finest and greatest lawyers in America. And so political parties enya interest with mu, and one of the political parties enya no, and all of a sudden gay became so pompous, popular and famous. Just say akurano just say obra pejano ne modern bonti edini kodui nanso ma dwe ani anhweyie mumi anhwede ekosi no asema me kan matu ni din se hweyie wa hweyie ho NDC hweyie wa hweyie ho. We want you to be a credible opposition, to give the incumbent government credible opposition and critics so that our mind will be animu. And some of us, we are not happy to see say NDC is falling like that because se kotoko ejina ne naso. It is when omoko share house of folk ojina ne na so ni hu se kotoko wajina ne na so. And we don't want house of folk to collapse in as much as we want kotoko to rise. We don't want house of folk to collapse. And hey nyini na hey nyini a ene my league num cry there. And if they should give us very good opposition, I think the country Ghana within a few years you bet me move forward. That is all we fight for. Okay, now back to Pascaline ebe nyini na afi de Pascaline masa Sammy Gyamfi nko she Pascaline na mu nya Sammy Gyamfi asem mindu no so Pascaline Sammy Gyamfi can never be compared to Pascaline. No, that is not what I mean. The person me can say and the Pascaline ebe nya sika afi de waye politician or just say law asempa de just say wan fa Pascaline an fa no an kokot mesremu mama memre kakra em say minimu. Thank you. Now, after the Pascaline sorry anopebia, Pascaline say he wants a lion as a pet. In the 40s, you know, so no. Hey, asempena Pascaline cocaine, a lion as a pet? No, lions are kept at the zoo, and no, I'm saying no. Pascaline, I need a lion in my house as a pet. And the zoo hono asama. The Owohon catch and say, my dear girl, my little girl, beware of bewares. beware of bewares. Pascaline say no, me pe lion kete na me ama kwotete no de nantwinam atete no nti obenyini no na chese nantwinam nkwa no pe onwe nipa nam. Ya ni Pascaline kasabia tu ni fu ade a wo ye nye was I will do it because na political party bia manu tu mini chese wenye sika. Ampa lo and behold Pascaline enya the lion or the kofie no bia sro ema Pascaline enti aja wo tete aboa no aboa ni benyini ya ne woni nam na woni ni da buntum no mu yin TV so na manfo hwe Pascaline hwe yo na aboa wonye no wonye hwe yo aboa wonye no wonye was oh you guys are dumb man na fe woni ne mwa di agro sa Pascaline dakro Pascaline ni lion yi di agro na aboa yi mo resign Pascaline sa ho say tin ya moja sa aboa yi hwedin no atwene katre ma lam otafre aboa ni tafre no say hey say wo ya nam ana de bia me no di agro sa Pascaline wa ya mbone enam ya de say na kofa na ntwi na ma ehye fridge mu medwi afi na metinka se ma wi madwa ne moja nam aboa yi to share Pascaline so and your so Pascaline mu tine help out tine nim na Pascaline no was kanti na waye bottom bi woni fi a emergency ba pe ene omia so because that time na telephone no uko tena telephone kra ansa na abenwan back one tete telephone kana na chese de be yo na uko mia so enti emergency release team by ebe bupu na ni timi be bo abo itu ema Pascaline nyame ya adom na onhui ye fa Pascaline eko ayaresabia lion no eni sami jamfi NDC for akoto no nya no Pascaline is NDC lion eni sami jamfi na makoto lion no na mo yen no enti Pascaline ho to no man now okoto aboa no wono ho no eba ho besra no ofie o say I told you to beware of bewares. Beware of bewares. Hweye ewa hweye ho. Na ye ka kire NDC. Akura yi said ye mo titini. Mpanyifo se wano so na de ti ahemfi a ye bo atenteben pempepepen ye mfa nkansem kase. Dami jamfi de wo se na no so wo dididi twa asuo nti obeye ema oye. Ene won say mo parliamentarians or tena small boy sami jamfi a wonni mu bra mo bra tena fi a kire mo what you should do in parliament you see afa na muntaka wo ka kire nse mo mfa ne arrogance ne disrespectful way no emma ho no mfa nkwa hin mo suma anu no okoye no wanya bi no wo de ba fie efie a enkwada animu no konkon ba mpanyifo no na ebo ya kachira musa monhwe yie wa hwe yie hu na samija mfini Kevin Taylor wo fun no ot America no de omo ye no ebe ha no mu di akufa da atem na munim se da wo so onse eba ye na aba mo ho ene samija mfi kire mo Haruna Idrisu samija mfi kire wo kwan a how to be a parliamentarian onse aba be femo ewi ase wo wefo nsa ya anu ahwe nsa na ese wo de ntimpanyfo ase wo wefo nsa menua hwe nsa ana matete wo mo a onse kobaye hwe o so hwe NDC communicators na ba ku bi e wo UK oba bi watwa ne ti o se e friend Maria Moako abadu se wan hwan ono te ne platform so ka Haruna Idrisu warning say wonim ne bad deeds wonim ne dealer oye Haruna Idrisu nim ne dealer oye wo ye obe expose no you see ma ye mo ho kokotako ye nkamasem kanka bi ti da bia NDC fo na montoma ati akokobini na mo de na mbedwam nkrani si nyame na atwole alatani si God don't punish you one say mo ho former president John Dramani Mahama according to his words or patches ono ankasa were a bad leader because in 2016 na ye be call election MPP suspended Kwabena Japan. Mahama in his interview can say Akufo-Addo one year unifier. Now will be criticizing her, no suspending no. Intima Ghana for Tuabama no, and they was suspended Koko ni the who are suspended Alote Jacob. So one kasa now who are you, Mahama? Who are you? You've been a former head of state and the Omaino now Ghana's property. If I disrespect you, I disrespect myself. But I can criticize you, Your Excellency, former president. Now, who are, according to your words, now who stated in 2016, now define yourself. Say more kasa out of politics. Now some of us, we are not dumb, we are not shallow-minded. We are doing a my book. And do can near Boa to near Chesa with the Sabe. So, o can near the what to home. Papcho, Uba, no share, no follow. Well, now if you must subscribe, so I'm a YouTube. Madam, say, and today I can say, the NDC in it to Pansamno. Yempe. Because we want them to be strong. Opposition you want the omumbo hosa mai and the baby almost a so mumfato one omumbo homai. Nemum say better tia pansam de emwa Ghana politics. And you know, sa mentime who see I cause mumuno. The be here and say, hey, mon pamo yakokure. Do or yazi dunkeja one they call finalize. Supreme Court, election petition. One they call, or I say, don't get your cassa any the conclusion by it is also judgment now. Or Munina Cassa, I say, Jesus Johnson, I didn't get ya, Johnson, I said, didn't get ya, according to him, Sani, I say, I can't become from mommy and far from more. And you know, more pamo, I say, don't get your few. Now, Mutimi, acquire car say, you take her to the cleaners. Over Swampoful. Muji ofusu ampofo efiri ho na hwan biem kwekubu ahin de kwekubu ahin kra de mon mantam na mon fa group mu na no because ono na okasa ebon na mo pamo irresponsible people we mu free mo party no ma believe you me party no be fantoma pa free na matimi abo opposition ho yi amaye ho de mo be bo ha cho na ma anka na mbo mo be bo ho ache because munyi aniswade hunu bia maniswade hunu te say de wo Johnson na enko ba bia na atwa na ho ahia. This is NDC oba wo share wadwen na ono so ba NDC ni ba obeka say minu awaka say ni say I disagree because say ni no onka bi o oba ya no atwro sabi kwasi asem no de agu ho no okọ o ba twro jimi sam tantan no de agu ho no okọ. Enya no ne ha me but me esa na me wonder the type of people amu simu frem ho NDC followers na na me pity mo wa hu muma nyina ya nwunu don't follow blindly, see clear, open your eyes and see clear. Why? And we want the NDC to be a credible opposition, that's all. And Kayembe Kasa Embe Haye Hum Ewaha. Thank you very much, William Aduapia. Big up to you also. Thank you very much. And Kayembe Kasa Embe Haye Hum. Into position now, yeah, dear mom Ghana for dear mom on there. Mo 20 years, and near share dear Kakra. Say, you bet my baby, and near. Why? Because mine was the year, yes, she mine, yeah, the mamuna, mo buy ye no a factory. Commander, more State of the Nation address, and I just don't want to go there. Commander Sugar Factory. Muko, Munyasa Muko CEO, near I will come in Kroman is our factory, no. Moko rehabilitate, Teti, Yinikeke. Dear Namode. Most says each rain a cogu or the betray. And the Abesremo, why? Moya a position of money, and this a Haruna Drusu. Any Ras Mubarak must say, or more 30 much there any muntaka. Oh, did you Akufo-Addo attempt? You guys were silent, so keep quiet. Now some medium fee and take him to the cleaners. And they say, I may wonder some can tell about it and all cry the why irrelevant because Mahama in his videos in the catcher say, Okasa and Tumu, he is the boss. Mokasa irrelevant. Indeed, the mobile can ya me and fat more massem. Enko takeno because hunyansa wo mo masem. That is what Mahama said. Entimukra de emfamo nyasem. Wakotena obi man so wokoye de ye a ebo mo man no wasua na nka obunya platform na wo de akire no. Wo ba no wa be di atem. no obedi diatem sa na America ho no omo ye no omo kuruma enka ne se wakobo ho adwa ho no wo payis logon da nti Mahama mramwa wo boa tonsuom Sami Jamfi ene wo nware wo ene kope Roman father ta de hye se Mahama mra na be fa nkwase asika ebe ye nkwase a wedding ebe sa nkwase asapa de atonsuom ene me pam Roman father ta de dia bro se me waitili papa wa ha me pam bi fa size bra na me pam bi famrew ade na mo pese wo be ye politician you want to become a rich man overnight how is that what politics means? A man yourself, yen your money, you know. Muswale swa, Sami Jamfi, almost say, when you're Dumada, or you're Daniel Scapoto V8, NDC youth, you know, they are asking. This is not a question, it's a threat. They are threatening you, say. They are threatening you, say. If you misbehave, they are going to tell the whole Ghana how you got those V8. They are going to tell Ghana how you got those V8. Please, Madam Asibebre, Uba, no one follow. Your page, no one like it. If you no one subscribe to YouTube and so we are building a bigger family all together so that we can you bet me at discuss it. No my be boa more minor tumpon. Nye ye mbedi diatem. Aha, nti obi be diatem wa ha. Wow, ye no more hu baby free. Ye mua no. Initially no can no can be but hu hia. But the person me kire ni say, ye nyina at the end of the day we are Ghanaians so we want credible opposition. Enti na watwe mu nyina no nsensem e baaye na asesia no Haruna Drusu wo sori a na gay nsem lesbianism nsem with the president. Hey, what the hypocrisy. Me said Ghana why na the best friend any Andrew Solomon world LGBTQ why president why na the best friend no Andrew Solomon the best friend ni John Dramani Mahama Haruna Drusu. I challenge you, I dare you to come and disprove. Go, Akufo-Addo has been bold. Akasetia, tell Mahama. Mo kanchira Mahama no declare and stand on this issue. Mo campaign in unima. Andrew Solomon, ena Emma Muska. Wati, Andrew Solomon Emma Muska. Enti Mahama, go and read my first coup d'etat. Na share book no, all my credentials or they call say Andrew Solomon wom. Oh, no call wedding. Again, ni wedding. The anya bema ni bema. No, sorry, Mahama sorry. Wedding ni give for wedding. I say, how can he talk against it? Why is why silent? We dare him as a former president of the land to come and declare his stand, talk against it like the incumbent government is doing. What are you talking about? You think say yeah krana? I do so. You see, no akwenya bi na amount. The people who vote for you don't understand politics and do not what take you for granted. If they really know what you come to do as a politician, when you were coming into government, what did you have? Haruna Idris, we need koto, and then look at your properties. Say yeah, the march will pay. Most of them must MP for paying yet, and yet they are how. I mean, look at the MPP ministers. Obi abeba wa bobra dada. Obi abeba wa bobra, and it's a fact. Kevin Taylor, me say next nyame aduma next week Sunday I made the list of Akronfo appointees Mahama appointees Akronfo Akufo-Addo by wachi o matum nyina. Me do mo nyina din abeba Kevin Taylor. Mon chairman nsanka me challenge you so fa bibra. Say when MPP was leaving power 2008, from 2008 to 2016, now you people left power. No, MPP officials are mochi omukotum. I'm coming with their names. I am coming out with their names, and we urge the government to do more. This way, the Bema 2024, are you cool chop no? Corrupt officials now, Yakofa Matemi do better homa no di o minor bro to ayampia say yesikano. Di o minor bro to ayampia say yesika. Monfa competent SP. Emra, no be chichi o munyina. Mpacho share, like and comment. Nyame aduma. Kwesiada yebesan hia the heat na anu ahye yanhwe a yebetra baby a yempese yebekọ nti no ye try to discipline ourselves yebeda mu nyina ase obi a wo hwe video bi anyame inhira wonye okese this week the ekokọ so etimi ebobo so ni nyame aduma ukwada Jesus have promised ye the names of corrupt officials under John Dramani Mahama ya chi wo mu ya sesi amene ukase wo mu dansa wo mu ebeba we challenged Kevin Taylor so on some funny dem na NDC MPP which is more corrupt. Nyame enshira obi bia na mum pacho share ma me wate o share we no wa follow no wa like na afi wa hwe videos no so on YouTube the same name Fie ni Fie TV nyame enshira wonye obi bia kese na afi o ma ni enshira entongu yeso bye bye.